Vlogmas. It's almost noon on December 6th, Sunday. Yeah, it's a Sunday. I've been having a pretty low-key morning. I woke up a little bit late for me. I woke up at about like 8 or 8:30 or something like that, which is pretty late. I'm usually up at 6. And I've just been having a pretty chill morning. I showered. Yay. And then I did just a quick amount of stretching this morning. I've been having a lot of issues with my low back, and I think it's just because I'm not moving as much as I was before. My the previous job I was at, previous place I worked, is such a big building, and I would average, according to like my Fitbit that I would wear all the time, about between 18,000 and 20,000 steps a day. It was just a lot of walking. And now I typically drive to work, and the building I work in is really tiny, and I'm not on my feet as much as I was before, so it's just a lot of sitting. And I think as a result, my low back has been rebelling. So I've decided today that I'm going to do all of my knitting on the floor, sitting on my yoga mat on my bolster, and that helps me kind of sit up straighter, and also helps my hips too. Yeah, I'm almost 40, people, and yeah, my body is not, my body has never been great in terms of like when it comes to pain and injuring myself and all that stuff. I'm a giant clumsy person, and I find as I get older too, my body is getting even more achy. Yeah, I'd love to go back and have a regular yoga practice again, but you know, pandemic. So I'm not going to be able to do that because I don't want to go into the yoga studio. Plus, they've also canceled all of those classes now anyway. Yeah. So I did a little bit of yoga, just enough to kind of wake me up a bit. And I am working on Ryan's sweater. He's sleeping right now. Yeah, I'm working away on that, and I'm onto the raglan increases. My circular needle I have is too short. I need a longer one. And you know, you'd think I would have a like 32-inch 4.5 millimeter needle. Once upon a time, that was my preferred needle, so I had like 8 of them. But I think most of the sweaters and stuff I've been knitting are fingering to DK weight, so that means I've been using a lot more 3 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter needles now, so I have a lot of those instead of the size that I need right now for worsted weight. But yeah, look at in the sunshine. The striping is working out really well. I'm just doing everything in 2-row stripes, so it's making the jog I have to do at the seam or at the back, you know, not as noticeable. And the colors, the stripes themselves they're so close in tone that it is really subtle, and I really like it. I think it's going to be really nice when I'm done, and I'm just going to keep trucking through it while I have momentum right now. I feel like I need to just lean in to where my creative energy is wanting to pull me. This afternoon, whenever Ryan gets up, I think we might go grab a coffee from our favorite coffee shop and do that. But other than that, we don't really have any other plans. Typically, On Sunday, we would go down to my in-laws, his parents, for supper and have family supper down there. But because of pandemic, we just aren't going to go down. We're not going to chance it. We want to be as safe as we possibly can, and yeah, so I'd rather go and see them at Christmas and like we haven't been socializing. We don't go out anywhere aside from going to work, and when we're at work, we're masked up the entire time. So I like to believe that our risk level is really low, but I don't want to chance anything. I want to save it all for Christmas. If I'm really good and everything is good until Christmas, then we can actually spend Christmas together. Hopefully. Anyway, it's another beautiful day. I thought about going out for a walk, but I don't know. I'm feeling just kind of like I just want to stay in here and sit on the floor and knit and watch Vlogmas videos, which is the same thing I did yesterday. That's not a bad thing. I don't know. Yeah, I'll have to do some Christmassy holiday kind of things soon for you. I might do that maybe a little bit later in the week. Maybe we'll go for a walk and take a look at Christmas lights, something like that. That might be kind of fun. But in the meantime, let's get back to knitting. I hope you're having a really wonderful day wherever you are. Yeah, I'll check in with you again later. Bye.